he will not leave me again. See, I have got this. And he shook the lead. It was a steel chain this time. Okay, now again dog has come to him. Now what is the action of this person, blind man? No doubt he was very angry against the dog. Now what he is thinking? He roamed to throw out. After roaming, he has come back just because he did not got any food, or he might have ate some rubbish thing which is not filled his stomach. Okay, so that he has come. When he came back, what he did was he tied the dog with the steel chain this time. Before he tied with the thread. Okay, some thread kind of what you can say, the not so strong thread kind of rope he had tied, whereas this time he will tie the dog with the steel chain. Next paragraph. Once again there was the dead, despairing look in the dog's eyes. Go on, you fool, cried the blind man, shouting like an ox driver. He tugged the chain, poked with the stick, and the dog moved away in slow steps. They stood listening to the tap going away. Once again, what he do is, there was a dead, despairing looked into the dog's eyes. Go on, you fool, cried the blind man, shouting like an ox driver. Okay, like here how he is going along with the dog as if he is driving a ox bullock cart. Okay, he tugged the chain. Always he was now he is not at all leaving free to this dog. Poked with the stick, and the dog moved away slowly steps. Okay, now the dog is more what you can say, before a bit freedom was there, now the freedom of the dog has gone totally. They stood listening to the tap going away. Okay, they listened to the tap whatever the going on there. Death alone can help that dog, cried the ribbon seller, looking after it with a sigh. What can we do with a creature who returned to his doom with such a free heart? Now the ribbon seller is feeling sorry towards the dog. Why? Because before he had little bit mercy. Now second time when he came, when the dog came after releasing, then the mercy has gone now. Now totally he is under the control of whom? Under the control of blind man. He can't do anything now. Okay, so what is the moral of the story? Can you tell me? The little story of misleading the reader. Here the dog is not the one who is blind, but it befriends a blind man. Blind literally means to be not be able to see, isn't it? This is what the writer actually wants to convey to his reader. Okay, what is trying author is trying to convey the message that the blind beggar could not see that animals like dogs also need the freedom to live their own lives, isn't it? What we do? We don't give any kind of freedom, isn't it? Even dog need kind of freedom. That is what the idea behind this lesson. Okay, I'm explaining once again. The blind beggar could not see that animals like dogs also need the freedom to live their own lives. The dog is blind with his faithfulness towards the blind beggar. It could not see how in consideration and compassionate the blind man was. The dog is blinded by loyalty, and the blind man is blinded by his dependence on the dog when he takes it for granted. Okay, now what I am trying to tell you is, even everybody, not only dog, every animal require their kind of freedom, isn't it? If there is no freedom, no other kind of what? No other kind of peace. Always we think of freedom. When we don't have freedom, we don't perform any other duty well, isn't it? We think always that is negative, isn't it? So the author is trying to explain you in this lesson that all the animals, not only dog, all the animals we should show mercy. And blindly, like blind man, we should not be harsh towards our pet animals. We should love our pet animals, and we should not be blind towards their what you can say. Always we expect them to have a wrong, we expect them always to be in your own conditions, isn't it? Whereas if we like birds in a cage, birds want to fly, isn't it? We can't keep birds in a cage. There is different, I see, everybody's life have their own different kinds of freedom. Birds want to fly, the animals want to be free, isn't it? Even human being wants to be free. This can be done only when we have broad-minded thinking. Okay? This is what the author is trying to tell you. Okay, with this I will end my session by giving homework. Now turn your page. Yeah, today's writing homework is open page number 52. 12th question, how did the dog return to his doom? Why is this story titled The Blind Dog? You write in your own words. Need not require any reference. This question requires your opinion. Review. Okay. Why a blind dog is given by the author? I hope all of you do this homework in your homework book. Now reading homework is read page number from page number 44 to 51. Okay, this is your reading homework. I hope with this session I will end my lesson. Lesson number 4. What is the name of the lesson? The Blind Dog. This lesson is completed. With this I will end my session. Bye children.